Hello everyone, welcome to the Vibe single axle 16 RB. Nice, small rear bath that feels bigger than what it is. We've got a nice 2-burner cooktop, real metal high-rise faucets, a nice stainless steel sink, nice dinette that'll make down into a bed. In this trailer, we also have a nice big bathroom, complete with a big sink and medicine cabinet, and a full walk-in shower. Something else that we do on the Vibe single axles that not a lot of our competition does, we install a full 12-inch Fantastic fan in the bathroom. That one fan will cycle all the air out of this trailer every 2 minutes. On the front side, we've got a nice queen-size bed. On the outside of this, we do a couple things that most of our competition doesn't do. One is important, which is the enclosed underbelly with 12-volt heat pads on your holding tank. So if you do want to do some extended weather camping, you can do that in this Vibe. Another thing we do is overslung axles. So this will allow you to go into the sticks off-road to get to that nice fishing or hunting hole that you've always enjoyed without dragging the bottom. We also include an electric awning on all Vibes. Thanks for joining me in the Vibe 16 RB single axle. Make sure to check us out at www.forestriverinc.com/Vibe.